Good morning students, welcome back to you all in your maths class. Students, we have completed first and second chapter and now we will start revision of this chapter. Okay, do you remember what we have studied in our first video? Good. We have studied big, small, tall, short, long and short. Students, but you all have to learn the spellings also, okay, of big and small, tall, short and long and short. Okay, now let us do revision by some object. Okay, let us children now see the examples of big and small. Okay, first of all let us read the spelling of big and small. You have to repeat after me. B-I-G, big. A-N-D, and. S-M-A-L-L, small. Children, when you will come to school, I am going to ask these spellings also. So you have to learn this spelling, okay? Then only you will come to know what is the spelling of big and what is the spelling of small, okay? Here we will write B for the big and S for the small. For the smaller object we will write S and for the big object we will write B. Now from these two apples, tell me which is big. Is this apple big? Yes. So here we will write B and this is small. So here we will write S. Okay. Now see, here are two balls. Okay. From this two ball, which one is big? This is big? No, this is small. So here we will write S and this one is big. And so here we will write B. Okay. These are gifts. Yes. Now tell me which gift is big? Yes, this is big. And this one is small. Good job. Now this is pumpkin. Yes. Now tell me which one is big? Is this big? No. Is this big? Yes. So here we will write B and this one is small. So here we will write S. These are bugs. Small bug and big bug. So here we will write B and here we will write S. Good. Now we will see some example of long and short. First let us read the spelling of long and short. Repeat after me. L-O-N-G, long. S-H-O-R-T, short. These two spellings also you have to learn. Okay? Good. Now children, see, here are two scales. Okay, these are two scales. Okay, from these two, tell me which one is longer, the upper one or the down one? Yes, this one is longer. So we will put tick on this longer scale. Okay. Now here what is the question? Let us read it. Which is shorter? Okay. Shorter means सबसे मतलब shorter means छोटा. Here are two erasers. From this, which one is short? This one or this? The pink color one is shorter. So we will put tick mark on the pink color. Good. Now these are pencils. Yes. What is the question? Which is shorter? Now tell me which one is shorter, this blue one or this? Is this shorter? No. Is this shorter? Yes. So we will put tick mark on this. Good job. Now what is the question? Which is longer? From these two pin, which one is longer? Yes, this one is longer. So we will put tick mark on this. Very good. Now see the picture of watch. Okay. What is the question? Which is longer? Which one is longer? The pink color or the blue one? The blue one is longer. So we will put tick mark on this. Yes. Now the last one. Which is shorter? These are the pencil pouch. Which one is short? The pink color or the green one? This. No. This one is shorter. Yes. So we will put tick mark on this. Good. Now students, the last one is tall and short. First let us spell tall. Repeat after me. T-A-L-L, tall. S-H-O-R-T, short. Good. In this what we have to do? Tick the tall one and cross the short one in each section. Okay. We have to tick the tall object and cross the short object. Okay. These are the picture of ladder. Yes. Now which one is tall? The brown one or the black one? Yes, this one is tall. So we will put tick mark on this and we will put cross on this. Why? Because this one is short. Okay. Now let us see the second one. Here are the flower vase. Okay. The purple one and the green one. Now which one is short? Yes, this one is short. So on short what we have to do? We have to do cross. And on the tall what we have to do? We have to put tick mark. Now let us look at this picture. These are lamp. Which one is tall? Which one is tall from this? Yes, the orange one is tall. What we have to do on this? If it is tall, then tick or cross? Tick mark. Very good. So we will put tick mark. And this one is short. So here we will put cross. Good. See the fourth picture. Table fan. From this, which one is tall? Yes, this one is tall. So we will put tick mark. And this one is short. So we will put cross. Good. Now let us do the next one. Which picture is this? It is a picture of table. Yes. Which table is big? Tall. Yes, this yellow one is tall. What we have to do on the tall object? Tick mark. And on the short? Cross. Very good. Here these are the tower. Yes. Which one is tall? Yes. So here we will put cross. Am I right? I am wrong. Then what we have to do? Tick mark. Yes. So here we will do tick mark because it is tall. And this one is short. So here we will put cross. Good. students, I hope you all have done your revision nicely. Okay, at home also you can see, observe the different object and you can make out whether it is tall, short, big, small or long and short. Okay, do revision. Thank you. Bye bye.